Standard 6 Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 10 Database in Excel 2007. Sorting data. Now student, sorting means arranging data in a given order. In Excel, one can sort the data in one or more columns. The sort command will help you sort the data in the column you select. The data can be sorted either alphabetically, ABCD, or numerically 1, 2, 3, 4. The data can be further sorted in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABCD to Z, or descending order 9, 8, 7, 6 or ZYXWA. For instance, I have a worksheet. I have a spreadsheet that has a list of the name of the students in my class, and I may like their names to be arranged in the alphabetical order. To do this, I can follow the steps. Highlight the data that I want to sort. If spreadsheet has several columns across, it is very important to highlight all the relevant data. Click on the Sort Ascending button A to Z in the Sort and Filter group from the Data tab. The data will now be sorted in the selected column in the ascending order. Means names comes A to Z wise. To sort the data in the descending order, select the data and click on the Sort Descending button Z to A in the Sort and Filter group from the Data tab. The data will be sorted in the descending order. Now student, we learn filtering the data. Filtering data in a spreadsheet means to allow only certain data to be displayed. This function is useful when you want to focus only on specific information in a large data set or a table. Filtering doesn't remove or modify the data. It just changes which records appear on your screen. While working with large set of data, it is difficult to get specific data. In MS Excel, filter command helps in such kind of situation. Filtering displays the data as per your requirement and hide the rest of the data temporarily. So, we can say filter command helps users to find data on the set condition. It is of two types: filter, autofilter. Filter. Selecting this command, a grey color drop down arrow appears to the right of the field name. Using this arrow, you can create your filter list. And autofilter. Advanced filter helps the user to search database on set of conditions. Means you can given the criteria, as per your criteria advanced filter works. And copy the result on different location or different worksheet. Thank you.